record. Yes, I got it. Yeah, now it will record. Now it will record. All the recordings I'm sending you, Kritika. Don't worry. See here, the earlier recording.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, it's
The
black.
earlier recording is converting now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is 40%, 60%, 70%. It's converting. It'll take time. Zoom takes time to convert that, no? Okay. The earlier recording. So this also will start recording from now. Again, I'm telling so that it goes into the recording. Instantaneous speed is the speed or velocity of a body at a particular instant of time. What is that particular instant of time? For example, see here, at T1 you got 40, at T2 you got 60. Maybe you may get 70, 55. Okay. Maybe at
Yes,
T3
sir.
you may get 80 or you may get something like 75. That is also possible. Is it understood?
Yes,
Need
sir.
not necessary that they should form a straight line. Need not necessary that they should form a straight line. There is no such a necessity. Understood? They may
Yes,
not
sir.
form a straight
Yes,
line.
sir.
They may form a curve like this. That is not a problem. But what is instantaneous speed? At that instant of time, if you draw a straight line like this, okay, what is the meaning is, for example, reverse I will give you. In IIT question, they gave a curve like this, okay? And on this, they have plotted on the IIT question that this is the velocity. And here they have plotted. No need to plot. You know it. This is time. And they gave here T1, T2, T3. Okay. They gave here
Yes, sir.
T1, T2, T3. And they asked you to find out the instantaneous speed for T2. What will you do? Take a scale. Take a scale. What will you do is you will take a scale and from T2 simply draw a straight. What happened, man? What you will do from T2, you will just draw a straight line like this or T3. Okay. And that you will join on the y-axis. Kritika,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can I repeat again, sir?
what you will do is, what are you supposed to do is take a scale from T2, you will draw a straight line like this. Okay.
Sir,
And
it's
another,
curve, sir.
yeah, man, T2 to the, to
Okay,
touch
sir.
the
Okay, sir.
curve, you will draw a straight line. And
Okay, sir.
another straight line parallel to x-axis. At
Yes, sir.
both the straight lines will meet the curve at some point, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the coordinate of instantaneous velocity. Understood?
Okay, sir.
For example, T2 was some 30, man. Okay. Then it will meet
Yes,
the
sir. Yes.
y-axis somewhere here, no? This is 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At 30 seconds, some velocity here 60 kmph you got. How you got that 60? By seeing the curve you cannot get. By drawing a straight line with a scale, you have to put one scale like this. Understood? You have to put one scale like this and another scale like this. Both will meet and cut the y-axis. That is your instantaneous speed for T2. Kritika, understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, at T3, they ask, then what you do? Again, put your scale straight like this and like this. Cut it. Somewhere here 100 will come or some number will come. 105 came, for example. And 105. That is your instantaneous speed at this instant. Understood? Because here, what is the y coordinate? How will we know? There is no way, no? We have to draw a line like this to cut the y-axis. Only then we will know the y coordinate. Is it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That will be your kmph instantaneous speed for that T3. Understood that? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, is that understood? Now we're going to the next important concept of average speed or average velocity. For that also, I need these curves. I don't need this. I will rub only this part. Till here understood, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Instantaneous means what you understood. Huh? Now I will tell you about average concept. What is average? No, what happened is, what is average? At t is equal to something, T1, T2, you have two different times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Between T1, that is, let us assume 20 seconds and 30 seconds. At 20 seconds, this was the speed. At 30 seconds, this is the speed. I want to find out the average speed between these two. Average speed is between two times, no? Average, what
Yes,
is the meaning
sir.
of average?
Yes, sir.
Between T1 and T2, what was the average speed? How to find the average speed? It is not so simple as normal mathematics. What is average? P1 plus V2 by 2. We will say like that. No, that's not right. Okay. Average speed. Average speed or average velocity. is defined as, you can write this, this is a 2 mark or 1 mark answer. Okay, is defined as, it is, what's happening, is defined as the, this total, total means not total, but only total between this 2 points, total distance covered between those times. Understood? Total
Yes, sir.
displacement or distance, bracket mein distance I'm writing. Understood? No, distance appear,
Yes,
distance,
sir.
when you should write distance, if they are asking speed, okay, if they're asking about velocity, displacement you should write total distance or displacement between which, between t1 and t2. Understood? Between,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
writing between given times, actually you should write given times, but for your
Sir,
understanding I'm writing
given
t1,
speeds are time, sir.
between given times divided by, that's what I'm writing, divided by the total time gap, total time gap
Sir, then
between,
it's the average time, no, sir, not the speed.
let me read, you will understand everything, between t1 and t2. See, I will tell you now. There is nothing like average time, no. See here. What is the meaning of velocity or speed? What is the definition from 8th standard? Distance by time.
Yes, sir.
Which distance by which time? That distance between these two speeds. Understood? The distance
Yes,
covered
sir.
between these two speeds or these two times
Yes, sir.
divided by the time gap between these two. Time gap between these two is nothing but t2 minus t1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood? So average
Yes, sir.
speed, I will write it as a formula, you will understand very clearly. This definition, if I will write that as a formula, you will understand even clearly. See, I will tell you now. See here. If I, see, between these two times, I am telling you what is the average speed. Kritika, see this. At this, between these two, how will the average speed look like? It will be simply, between this T1 and T2, some distance it would have covered, no? That is
Yes,
S.
sir.
But between these two times, what is the time gap? T2 minus T1. This is called as V average.
Yes, sir.
Understood? That now your question is how we will get this S. How we will get this S between these two, whatever displacement it has covered, how we will get that? For that we will do. For a lot of formulas are that I will tell you those formulas. This much you understood. This is a general formula. This is a general formula. There are three
For this definition, no, sir.
for this definition, this is the general formula, but
Okay, sir.
the full formula I will tell you now.
Okay, sir.
In your Cengage book, what he has written, instead of S, he has written R2 minus R1. Of course, R2 minus R1 is S. Why R2 minus R1 also? You should know that. You should know what is R2 and what is
Displacement,
R1.
sir.
See, what is R2? I will tell you. This is R2, man. See, this is your R1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is R2 means?
60, sir.
No, 60.
2 to 55, sir.
This is R2. R2 means from here to here. Kritika, from
Okay, sir.
0,
Yes, sir.
0, if you are going, if you draw a line, no straight line, that is your R2 and this is your R1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That
Yes,
only in
sir.
Cengage they wrote R2 minus R1 by T2 minus T1. Understood that? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, these are general formulas. Now they will become the actual formulas which we have to use in our problems.
Yes, sir.
I want to rub this.
Rub, sir.
Can I rub it off? Written?
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
I'll just take photo. Okay. Now, this average speed or average velocity will have three different formats. Okay. Out of those three different formats, we are writing one after the other. Okay. V average. Or another thing is, sometimes in your 8th standard book, speed, you write like this, speed, you write as speed. Don't write small s. Why? Because if you write small s, you will get confused with the displacement. Okay,
Yes, sir.
better to write that only. Okay, is given by S1 plus S2, because it is total displacement, is it or not? The definition is only
Yes, sir.
total displacement by total time. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
But did you see, total time does not mean T1 plus T2 plus T2 plus T3. No, no, no. Total time means difference, no? Is it or not? You started with 2 o'clock, 26 minutes, 36 seconds. You ended at 2 o'clock, 26 minutes, okay, 46 seconds, man. What is the total time? Tell me. Any child will tell. 46 minus
Sir,
36 is
10
10
seconds,
seconds.
sir.
How did you tell the 10 seconds? Because you
Change
subtracted
in
for,
time, sir.
yes, change in time. That is only called total time. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the wonderful part about time. Time cannot be added. We can only subtract time. We cannot add yesterday's time and today's time. We cannot say my age has increased or time has increased. You keep on subtracting. Hmm? Is it clear? So now this part is clear. This is the general formula. Now this general formula will take particular formulas. Okay, particular formula 1, particular formula 2, that like that we will write. Particular formula. For example, a body is traveling on a straight line. Okay. For example, a body is traveling on a straight line from a point A. It has gone to a point C. Somewhere here there is a point B. Okay. It started with some velocity, we don't know. Maybe it didn't start from rest. Remember, maybe it didn't start from rest. So let us not take u1 as 0. Let us not take u1 as 0. U is non-zero. Means, how can a body start not from rest? Can you imagine? How can a body not start from rest? Boys will know it very well if they try to drive pulsars and all that. You, Shanandan, you drive pulsar or any bike?
Scooty, sir.
Scooty, yeah, then you will not know. Bike, you don't know how to drive bike?
I know, sir, but rarely, sir.
Okay. You put your gear, first gear, give full acceleration, put the brake full. Don't do this don't do this, it's very dangerous. Okay. Start the bike, put the first gear. Even on car, you can do that, no? Put the
Yes,
first
sir.
gear, put the clutch, then put the first gear, give full acceleration or whatever, 2, 3, little bit acceleration, and hold the brake and just leave the brake. Suddenly, what will happen? Tell me.
The front tire will raise, sir.
Front tire will raise anyway. But imagine the front tire is not that much acceleration. You don't give a little bit of acceleration. What will happen? You will start. Is it or not? Hmm? You will
Yes,
start
sir.
with some velocity. So that means initial velocity is not 0. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
It is not 0. Is it clear? What is this coming here? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh, somewhere something is here. Some new tools are there which I don't know. Okay. So now this is the situation. Did you understand? Hmm?
Yes,
In
sir.
movies, we can see these situations, no, generally. They will start the
Sir,
car with, yes.
once you explain something about CC, na sir.
CC? What is CC?
Like power or something, CC.
CC, CC, that is density, bachi. I told you about density.
Density, sir.
Mass per unit volume.
Actually,
Volume is 1 cc. Volume is measured in 1 cc. I told you that.
Sir,
Volume
like that
is,
because when I
125
was
cc,
solving
like
one of the questions I got it, sir, CC. Instead of volume, they gave CC.
yes, volume is measured in cc. Or either cc or meter cube they will give. There are 2 units for volume. Meter cube, 1 meter cube is equal to how many cc? That day I told you, 1000 cc, 1000 cc. That day we did, no? Remember? 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter you do, you will get that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, if you have that doubts, you can ask me too. That's why I thought Sunday classes would be better. so that you can clear your doubts of these 3 days classes. That will be better. At least one more class we need, otherwise it's not possible to complete. So this non-zero speed means this is non-zero speed. Slowly he has achieved, he has gone till B, he has covered this. Remember, this is starting from some point. That means what? S displacement at this point is 0. That's for no doubt. Okay. At this point,
Yes.
B, he has got one displacement S1. Okay. And when he ended up at C, his displacement is S2. Okay. At B, his velocity was V1. At C, his velocity is V2. Till this you understood. This is the concept. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
from A to B, the distance or displacement covered is S1. What is that S1? He is traveling with a constant velocity from here to here. Okay. So that is V1T. Can I say that? V1 T1. Is it or not? Did you understand this
Yes, sir.
concept? V1 T1.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
It has taken T1 time from here to here, and it has taken T2 time from here to here. Means 2 o'clock. What is the meaning of this V1? T1 means what? This is some 2 o'clock, 22 minutes, 26 minutes, 36 seconds. He started. No. Here he is at again 2 o'clock, 26 minutes, 46 seconds. Means 46 minus 36 is T1. Understood? This is 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here again 2 o'clock.
Sir, we should multiply with change in time, no, sir?
Yeah, change. Yeah, change in time. Yeah, very good. Change in time. So 46 minus this is how much? 46. I don't like 46, 66. Then this will be how much? 20. Okay. Change in time. Yes, correct. This T1 is nothing but change. It's a change in the time. That's what. No. 46 minus 36 is only T1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
66 minus 46 is only T2. Okay.
Sir,
Similarly,
can you
S2.
keep that triangle symbol, sir, so that we can understand?
No. Okay, that you want. Then I have to put here as T is T naught. I have to put this T naught is equal to 0. This T1 is actually delta, but we should not put the delta, because if you put the triangle symbol, no, what happens is
Yes, sir.
I think, see, why need not put the triangle symbol? I'll tell you. 10 minus 0 is 10, no?
Yes, sir.
So why should we need to put the triangle symbol? We need not put it. It's understood that time always starts from 0. Understood? Time always
Okay,
starts
sir.
from 0. Again, here it is 0. Here we should understand. From here we are putting the time. Again, here stopwatch became 0. From here to here. So 66 minus 46, we will not measure like this. We will put the stopwatch. No. Stopwatch will
Yes, sir.
always give us absolute time difference. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm putting T1, T2. Is it clear? So what will be S2?
Yes, sir.
S2 will be what? V2, T2. That's it, no? Now what is average velocity? Average velocity. Average well. How much? S1 plus S2 by, now you can say T1 plus T2. No problem. Why?
Okay, sir.
Why? Because this is absolute time, no? This is the absolute time from here to here, and this is the absolute time from here to here. So it is simply T1 plus T2. Did you understand that much?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is already in seconds. Otherwise, we should put totally capital T we should put here. Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is S1? V1 T1. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
V1 T1 plus V2 T2 by T1 plus T2 is equal to V average. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Don't write big V, small v.
Sir,
Otherwise, it will be something
how
else.
the formula got, sir, S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2.
S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2 became like this. Understood this? Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir, in that you wrote V1 into T1, no, sir. There it's change in time, no, sir.
S1 is not, what is S1? V1 T1, no?
Yes, sir. Means T1 is equal to change in time,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
sir.
change in time from 0, no? That's what I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
Anything
Yes, sir.
minus 0 is the same
Average
thing, right?
velocity T1 is also change in time, no, sir.
T1 is change in time from, that's what, see, 46 minus 36, man. This is only stopwatch. That's what I told you, the concept of stopwatch. Here,
Okay, sir.
you are clicking the stopwatch, man. Here is stopping the stopwatch. So what will come? 10
Yes.
seconds will come. Here again, you click the stopwatch to 0 and stop. Again, start the stopwatch and end it here. Then you will get 20 seconds in the stopwatch.
Yes, sir.
Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can be rewritten as another formula. V1 T1 plus V2 T2 by, in terms of S also we can write this equation all in terms of S. That depends on which problem we are doing. Okay, that
So
depends on which
means
formula.
T1 plus T2 is equal to 10 plus 20, no, sir.
Yeah, 10 plus 20, that's it. So from this equation, what is T1, Kritika? What is T1? S1 by V1. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this formula, what is T2?
S2 by V2.
That's it. Simply substitute it here. S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. Understood?
Yes,
That's
sir.
it. Is it clear, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Who? Kritika, tell. Yeah, Kritika.
Nothing, sir.
Is this all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can be rewritten. See, why are we writing like this? Why? Is it fun or what? Means we don't want T1, means we can change the whole formula without T. Okay, we can rewrite this
Okay,
as
sir.
simply S1 plus S2 by V1 by T1. Sorry, S1, sorry, S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. See, there are no time at all. This
Yes,
is a
sir.
formula without time. This is a formula without displacement. Okay, both
Okay,
formulas are
sir.
one and the same, but their applications are different in different numericals. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, our time is up. So we meet again.
Yes, sir.
I don't know when we're going to meet again. Is it Monday or
Monday,
Tuesday?
sir.
Monday.
Tuesday,
Monday or
sir.
Tuesday?
Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday. In between, try for the 4th class. Talk to your parents and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.